Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a closet clean out for fall. I love posting these whenever the seasons start to change just because I accumulate so many clothes just because of thrifting a lot, and I'm practically a hoarder at this point. So it's always good when the seasons change just to kind of go through everything and put the summer stuff away, bring the fall stuff in, and just kind of sift through everything just to make sure I still want it and I liked it like I did last year. I do want to show you guys, I am wearing blue mascara today and I think it is so pretty. Yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. So I have 2 bins full of my fall items. I'm actually like really excited to kind of see like what's in here because obviously I don't remember what I had since last year. And then so I'm going to go through that, just kind of see how much I am going to be keeping, just so I can kind of see how much I have to kind of get rid of in order for it all to fit. But yeah, so let's just get started on these boxes first, and then I am going to split things up into some piles. So I'm going to do a keep pile and then a donate pile, and then I'm going to do a trash pile, which I don't think there'll be any in the trash because I wouldn't have kept something that like has a hole in it or a stain or whatever. But for the donate stuff, I am going to donate to a local hospital and Goodwill. I'm not gonna be posting any of this stuff. I'm just going to be donating it. I don't wanna keep it in this apartment. So let's start on these bins. What we have around me is a mess, but I am so thankful for myself. Before summer, whenever I was getting rid of all these fall clothes, I was very picky and I got rid of a lot. So a lot of things I have here, like I'm keeping. So I have 3 shirts that I'm kind of like on the fence about. So I actually don't think I want this one. So I have 2 shirts here that I'm on the fence about. I have to think about them, but everything else, I have a huge pile here for donation, and then I have a bigger pile of stuff I'm going to keep, which is so exciting. It's so much fun looking through the stuff that you had last year because honestly, like I forgot. So it's so fun. Like look at this cute sweater that I'm just obsessed with. It has like these cute little colored little threads on there. I don't even know. I'm just really excited about everything that I still have. So what we're going to do now is, I don't know what to do next. I guess the next step is to put away all of my summer clothes that I like and I want to keep, but just like I just need to put them away. And then the next step after that is going to be sifting through the rest of the stuff and just seeing if I actually want it or not. I wanted to show you guys a before of my closet. So I need to organize these sweatshirts. They're all over the place and they're just something that I get really lazy with. Like I just don't keep them very organized. So I need to do that. That'd be pretty quick. And then here are all my clothes. I have so many clothes. And then laundry, here are my sweatpants, purses, and I have some sweatpants on top of there. And then over here are swimsuits and some like, over here are swimsuits, shorts, and I have like a pair of cargo pants that I need to hang up or put them in my dresser or something. So I want this box absolutely gone. That would save up so much room. Get another one of these kind of storage units over here. Eventually that'd be kind of nice. So here is the start of my closet. So I just went through everything and here are all the stuff I'm going to keep out. It looks like a lot, but I also had some sweaters and stuff out like during the summertime just for like layering and stuff. And then I have a lot of basics in here. But yeah, I decided to keep some of this stuff. And I have so many hangers. I think that's what's taking up a lot of the room in the closet. So I'm gonna move some of the hangers into my other closet in my foyer. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about what I've kind of kept, and I have a huge pile here of things I'm going to put back in the bin for next year. But we are doing well so far. This is such a good feeling, and honestly, like, I'm just being so cutthroat about everything, because if I don't want it, if I don't like it, why is it in my closet? So I'm trying to be really, really good about this. So yeah, this makes me so excited for fall, and there are just so many like big t-shirts I just cannot get rid of. Just can't. So let's put all of these summer clothes back in the bin. Now we're gonna be tackling this ugly box that I have had in my closet since I moved into this apartment. Just has like random stuff in it, and then like I said, I've been using it for swimsuits and stuff, so in my shorts for summer, just because I didn't have like a lot of room. So it is time to finally get rid of this box. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this, but mostly everything in here is just like stuff, like summer stuff. I do have like some lotions and perfumes, I think, at the bottom that I didn't have room for, so I have to kind of figure out what I want to do for that, like if I want to keep them or store them somewhere else in my apartment. So I have to think about that, but we'll get to that later. Let's just put away these swimsuits, because unfortunately there won't be any more swimming until next year. Now it is time to put all of my sweaters, which are in that pile. Now it's time to put those sweaters into this closet, and I'm seeing the finish line kind of. My room looks like a mess, but it always looks like a mess before everything gets back to normal and it's clean. So let's put the sweaters in. Put all the sweaters in the closet, and I put all of like my corduroy pants and more fall pants, like cargo pants, in my dresser. So closet's like almost done. I am going to tackle these sweatshirts now. I might be a little bit anal and do it color coded. As you can see, my whole closet's color coded. I've always been that way. I don't know why. I really like it actually that is color coded. I don't know. So I'm thinking, why not do the same thing with my sweatshirts? So I need to actually go through my sweatshirts and, you know, get rid of the ones I don't wear. But to be honest, I wear literally all of them. So they're all staying. I just need to organize them. So let's do that now. The sweatshirts are all color coordinated as best as I could, and they're all looking so good. I'm not like the best at folding, obviously, but it looks so much better. So that is the end of this video. I got rid of the box. The box was filled with like perfumes and other stuff, so I put that all in my bathroom. That is going to be the end of this video. Here is my fall closet. I am so excited. Of course, when there is more room in my closet, that means there's more room for me to go thrifting. So stay tuned for some thrift videos coming up. I have some fun ideas for fall, so stay tuned to that, and make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave. If you like videos like this, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.